Guys, I'm Steve, and welcome to the channel where we talk about the joys of stock market investing and long-term dividend gain. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you will not regret it. And if you're a returning subscriber, guys, welcome back. Listen, the Tesla hate is real. Now, I just made a big purchase of Tesla yesterday, and the stock has went down some more. You guys have been giving some awesome comments and encouragement, and I appreciate that. But let me get into this real quick because it was just on my mind. I'm looking at the market earlier today, briefly, when I was in and out of the house. Yeah, the stock went down some more. And that's what you want if you're a Tesla investor. You know what I'm saying? I'm predicting that it's going to go down to $150 a share at least. Hopefully it'll fall that far. But one of my comments today by one of my, I think it's subscriber, I can't remember your name. I'm sorry, I know you know who you are. You shout yourself out. But he made an interesting point. He was like, with all of the whales buying, and you know how hard Tesla's falling with the fan following it has, and Tesla's one of these sleeper stocks. I don't know if you really pay attention to it or not. People always talk trash about Tesla, but they're still buying it. All these other stocks, they'll talk bad about it. The fire is spread, the stock is sink. For some reason, there's some unseen force that will not let Tesla fall too far in a massive drop without somebody saying, hold up now, let me buy some, and they'll suspend the stock up. It won't drop. Another thing I found out, most of Tesla investors are older folk, wiser folk. You know what I mean? You can do your research and find that out. It's not the young crowd. I thought it was a lot of young crowd because like a lot of people got rich off of Tesla and they always show them as younger folk. But it's older folks. It's a wise decision. You know what I mean? That's one of the reasons why I jumped into Tesla. You know, another thing, everybody that always crapping on Tesla and stuff like that is people that mainly never had Tesla, and a lot of them is people that don't even invest. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of things about the company to like. And in my opinion, you know, like I say, I invest for me. You should invest for you. You should have your own opinion. You should be able to ride and die with that. You know, I have a vast set of portfolios. The money I allocate to Tesla is money that I can afford to have the stock move up and down. I'm a smart investor. Listen, this is the first thing, and it's the first reason I'm bullish on it. The goofiness you hear in the news. Oh, Elon Musk, he's too focused with Tesla. I mean, with Twitter. He just brought the company. It's $1 billion company. He just went through hell trying to acquire the company. It's a big business. He got to go and put, you know what I'm saying? He got to go, oh, Elon Musk, he's firing people. It's going to be a class action lawsuit. What that got to do with Tesla? Oh, the stock is falling. Yahoo Finance today article. Tesla stocks fall amid new China subsidy and Elon Musk Twitter focus. The man owns more than one business. If the man went over there to a Boring Company or SpaceX and did the same thing, a bunch of layoffs in a company that he owned, you think it'd affect Tesla's price? Come on, man. Be smart. Don't even sound right. You know what I mean? Everybody that's telling you Tesla's no good, there are other people behind them, smarter people that pay attention, and they're waiting to scoop it up as soon as you jump ship. As soon as you jump shit, they'll be right there to sit in your seat. You know what I mean? And while you think the boat is on fire, they'll be going right down the road. And you'll be left out looking crazy. Trust me, I was one of them people. I used to always sit back, man, all the bad stuff they say about Tesla. I wouldn't mess with Tesla if you paid me and this and that. And I missed out. You know, I hear comments from my subscribers. Hey, I had Tesla since 2012. I had 2 stock splits. I just, Steve, stay in there. And I be feeling crazy. I be looking dumb in the face. And I appreciate you guys with the encouragement. But, man, come on, man. Listen, you got to invest for you. That's one part. Another part of this. Tesla, one of the safest vehicles you can be in. You know, I was at a meetup yesterday. And there were like 7 Teslas out there. And I'm like, you know, I mean, I don't know if they belong to the people. Like, they were in the parking lot, there were like 7 Teslas. And I'm like, I see Teslas everywhere. You know, Rivian is a close second. Well, not a close second, but Rivian is second. You see Rivians all over the place. Like today, they had an article. Oh, It's a mass recall on Teslas for a steering column. Rivian had the same situation. You know what I mean? But it's not as severe as Rivian. Rivian fell for a second, went back to normal. It's like when you have the Tesla name attached to it, all hell breaks loose. Everybody, No, man, no. I'm bullish on it. I got in this thing late. Man, my portfolio would have grew astronomically if I had just did the right thing and did my own research and stopped listening to talking heads on TV. This is one of my greatest failures. You know, that's why I'm so animate about it. You know, I think, what was it, October, right? That just passed? 54,000 exports. That's like a new record for them. So they exported 54,000 vehicles. And the stock is falling. And you know, when the bull market starts, this thing gonna take off. In fact, I can almost guarantee, I don't even want to say I don't guarantee, I ain't no expert. But what I'm banking on is this is going to be one of the bellwether stocks that take off and be in the forefront of the wealth transfer. I'm telling you, because you know how erratic Tesla is and you know how the fan following is. This Twitter smoke right here is just smoke, ain't even fire. And it'll blow off with the next gust of wind. And all of a sudden, Tesla will be the darling again. Same thing with a lot of other stocks, man. That's why I tell you, you know, pick what you want to pick. The Tesla Semi, this is something I didn't add in my other video. The Tesla Semi is going to be big. I'm telling you, it's going to be big. Just from the amount of fuel a company can save by just operating these electrical trucks is going to be astronomical. It makes no sense. And then here's another thing. Listen to this. Look, can you imagine? Now, people think about the Tesla Semi. You're just talking about the trucking industry. It's much more than the trucking industry. They got the platform, the frame of the Tesla truck. Few modifications. Now you got electric fire trucks. It's a possibility. Workhorse, if I was an investor in Workhorse, if I was the company Workhorse, I don't know if Tesla, my other phone is ringing, I'm sorry. If Tesla would buy them. You know what I'm saying? Workhorse could be one of those companies where, you know, they get brought out by Tesla. If I'm a Workhorse employee or I own Workhorse or anything like that, you got to be sweating, because Workhorse been trying to have electric utility trucks for the longest time, and they haven't even grown yet. They was banking on that big contract a couple years ago for the U.S. Post Office, and I ain't really heard nothing from them since. This thing with the truck can be bigger than just the trucking industry, because you could have utility vehicles, all kinds of stuff. Wait till a power company starts using Teslas, Tesla semis, the semi truck, just the truck, because the semi is just the beginning. And as an investor, that's why I keep buying. It's trickling down. I'm buying. I bought 4 shares today, a small amount, but 4 shares today. Anytime it goes down, I'm gonna get that cost basis down. And I'm gonna just keep grinding. You know, a lot of people that send me a comment, and it says Tesla to the moon. I don't know where you guys got that from, but I mean, if it's going to the moon, I'm riding that rocket. You know what I'm saying? But that's the Tesla Semi. Another thing, this thing ain't like Peloton. You know what I mean? Peloton came out and dropped real hard. And like, you know, a lot of people are comparing it. You can't compare it. Tesla's too big, and they're two different things. You know what I mean? I know it's figuratively, you know, it's not literally, but I mean, just some of the stuff that's on the internet, man, guys, stay away from that, man. If you're a Tesla investor and you excited, and this is the thing that's funny too, and this is what I learned from a lot of comments that I'm hearing. People that have Tesla, keep Tesla. They don't jump off of. Only an inexperienced investor runs away from it when it gets too low, because I'm telling you, it's hard to look at the stock when it's down 40%, 30%. And they're saying Tesla's down, I can't remember the percentage, but it's a high percentage off its high. You know, we got the split. One of the things that's convincing me, that got me even interested in Tesla, is the turnover on the money you can make from just $1,000 investment. I think it's like, what, $12,000 for every 1,000 you invest? I'll take that chance all day, because most stocks don't do that. And it's a growth stock. It's a tech stock, same time. And this is the perfect opportunity to jump in on it. because I'm telling you, I think this is going to be one of the front runners on the vanguard to financial freedom when that bull run starts. It's going to be one of the first bulls out the gate, and it's going to be on fire. And I'm going to be running right behind it. You know, as it's kicking up them coins, I'm going to be picking them up like Mario Brothers. That was corny, I'm sorry. But listen, guys, I just wanted to chime in, man. There's so much BS, you know, about Tesla and fear and all this stuff. Listen, my portfolio's fine, man. I'm good with Tesla. Hopefully you guys are too. Invest smart. You know, buy in when you can buy in, and buy in when you you know, you've done your studying and know when you buy, know the price you want to buy in, if you do want to buy in, and know why you're buying it. And that'll eliminate a lot of the failure. And just keep track of your investments, guys. So, I mean, I just wanted to vent a little bit, you know, and just talk about it, and give out the encouragement some of you guys have been giving to me. As always, man, this phone. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. The subscriptions have been raising, and you guys have been helping the channel grow. Oh my God, I'm sorry. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.